Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make churro popcorn, easy method. Start by popping 8 cups of popcorn using medium-high heat and a splash of oil for crisp kernels. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter and mix with 1/3 cup sugar and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Pour over popcorn and toss thoroughly so each piece gets coated. Let cool briefly so sugar sets, then serve warm for best texture and flavor. Warm and conversational tip time. For a consistent churro coating, use fine granulated sugar so it adheres faster and melts slightly from the popcorn heat. Combine sugar with cinnamon in a bowl and taste first. Start with 1 teaspoon cinnamon for balanced spice, then increase if you prefer more warmth. A tiny pinch of salt brings out the sweet notes and improves overall flavor. Toss gently to keep popcorn crisp and evenly coated. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support more simple snacks and tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading anywhere while you munch on churro popcorn, and it even fits next to a bowl on the couch. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To keep texture perfect, toss the popcorn right away while it is still warm so the sugar and butter cling quickly without melting into syrup. Spread the coated popcorn on a shallow tray to cool. This lets air circulate and preserves crispness instead of creating clumps. If you need to hold it, transfer cooled popcorn into an airtight container and use within 2 days to maintain optimal crunch and flavor for snacking.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.